In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about Thomas Hardy as a novelist. Thomas Hardy is one of the greatest novelists of the Victorian age. He is renowned for his realistic portrayal of rural life, his deep understanding of human psychology, and his tragic vision of life. Although he began his literary career as a novelist, he later devoted himself mainly to poetry. His novels remain classics of English literature for their artistic excellence and profound social criticism. Hardy was a great regional novelist. Hardy is known as the greatest regional novelist in English literature. Most of his novels are set in Wessex, an imaginary region based on the counties of southwestern England. The landscapes, villages, customs, and traditions of Wessex give Hardy's novels a vivid sense of place and reality. There is realistic portrayal of rural life in Thomas Hardy's novels. Hardy presents a truthful picture of rural society and the lives of ordinary farmers, laborers, and villagers. He depicts both the beauty of nature and the hardships faced by the rural people due to poverty, social inequality, and changing economic conditions. Hardy expresses a tragic vision of life in his novels. Hardy's novels are marked by tragedy. He believed that human beings are often helpless before fate, chance, and social forces. His heroes and heroines struggle against circumstances but usually meet with suffering or failure. Hardy's novels have strong characterization. Hardy created memorable and psychologically complex characters. His heroines, such as Tess are among the finest female characters in English fiction. They are sensitive and courageous and often become victims of society and destiny. There is criticism of society in Hardy's novels. Hardy criticized the rigid social conventions, class distinctions, religious hypocrisy, and the unequal treatment of women. He exposed the injustices of Victorian morality and questions traditional beliefs. Nature is depicted as a powerful force in Thomas Hardy's novels. Nature plays an important role in Hardy's novels. It is not merely a background but an active force influencing the lives and emotions of his characters. The changing seasons and landscapes often reflect human feelings. Then, Thomas Hardy's style is simple, it is descriptive and poetic. His vivid descriptions of the countryside, symbolic use of nature, and philosophical reflections add depth and beauty to his novels. The major novels of Thomas Hardy include Far from the Madding Crowd, The Return of the Native, The Mayor of Casterbridge, Tess of the Willis, and Jude the Obscure. Thomas Hardy occupies a unique place in English literature as a novelist of realism, tragedy, and rural life. His powerful storytelling, unforgettable characters, vivid depiction of Wessex, and criticism of Victorian society have made him one of the most influential novelists in the English literary tradition. His novels continue to be admired for their emotional depth, artistic craftsmanship, and timeless exploration of the human condition. With these words, I would like to end this video here. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have anything to ask or anything to share. Bye for now.